Detailed review, Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech DFS. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE Fan Edition is the latest in Samsung's lineup, aimed at offering flagship-level features at a more accessible price. It's designed to cater to users who want top-tier performance and capabilities without the high price of Samsung's flagship devices, like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Here's a comprehensive review covering all its key aspects. 1. Design and build quality. The Samsung S24 FE sticks with the tried-and-true design language that Samsung has been perfecting over the years. At first glance, it resembles the more premium Galaxy S24 series with its sleek, minimalist appearance. But there are a few key differences to note. Materials. The back of the S24 FE is made of plastic, which may not feel as premium as glass, but it serves practical purposes. It makes the phone lighter and more resistant to shattering. And while it doesn't have the cold, hard feel of glass, the finish is still high quality. The aluminum frame gives it a solid structure, which helps maintain a premium look and feel despite the plastic back. Color options. The phone is available in several attractive colors, including graphite, lavender, olive, and mint. These color options give users some personal expression and aesthetic choices. Build quality. The phone feels well-built and comfortable in hand. Its flat display is a departure from the curved edges found on Samsung's higher-end models, which some users may prefer for usability reasons. It's slim, light, and easy to handle with one hand, making it comfortable for everyday use. IP rating. One key feature is the IP68 water and dust resistance rating. This means the phone can withstand being submerged in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes, making it durable for daily use and in accidental spills or rainy conditions. 2. Display quality. The display is where the Galaxy S24 FE really shines, offering one of the best viewing experiences in its price range. Display type. The S24 FE comes with a 6.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which is one of Samsung's best. It delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, which are perfect for watching videos, playing games, or simply browsing the web. The display quality is comparable to Samsung's flagship devices, a significant advantage for this price point. Refresh rate. The 120Hz refresh rate makes for buttery smooth scrolling and gameplay. Whether you're navigating through the UI, scrolling social media, or playing games, the high refresh rate is noticeable and adds to the phone's overall smoothness. Resolution and brightness. The display offers full HD plus resolution, 1080 by 2340, ensuring sharp visuals and crisp details. Additionally, the peak brightness of 1200 nits means that the screen is easily visible in bright outdoor conditions, even under direct sunlight. 3. Performance. The performance of the Galaxy S24 FE is solid, and it can handle most tasks with ease, but it's not quite at the level of flagship devices. It's available in 2 processor variants depending on the region. Chipsets. Snapdragon 8 Gen for markets like the US, Exynos 2200 for other markets such as Europe and Asia. Both processors offer good performance, though the Snapdragon variant is generally regarded as the more powerful of the two, especially in terms of graphics and gaming. Paired with 8GB of RAM, multitasking is fluid, and the phone handles everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and app switching with no issues. Gaming performance. The Adreno 730 GPU Snapdragon version and Eclipse 920 GPU Exynos version can handle graphically intensive games like Genshin Impact, PUBG Mobile, and Call of Duty Mobile at high settings. The phone stays cool during gaming sessions thanks to Samsung's thermal management. Storage. The Galaxy S24 FE comes with 2 storage options, 128GB or 256GB. Unfortunately, there's no micro SD card slot for expandable storage, which may disappoint users who need extra space for media files and apps. However, cloud storage options and USB OTG support can alleviate this limitation. 4. Camera performance. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy S24 FE with a versatile triple camera setup, which includes 50-megapixel main sensor. The main camera is excellent for this price range, It captures sharp, detailed photos in most lighting conditions. The dynamic range is good, and Samsung's post-processing software enhances colors, making photos look vibrant. In low light, the camera performs admirably, with the night mode helping to brighten up shots while minimizing noise. 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The ultra-wide lens offers a broader field of view, making it perfect for landscapes, group photos, and creative shots. While it's not as sharp as the main camera, it still produces good quality images with minimal distortion at the edges. 8-megapixel telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom. The telephoto lens allows for 3x optical zoom and up to 30x digital zoom. While zoomed shots at 3x retain excellent quality, pushing it to the higher digital zoom levels results in some loss in detail, but this is expected at this price point. The front camera is great for selfies, offering detailed shots with good color accuracy. Portrait mode also performs well, with solid edge detection and a pleasing bokeh effect. Video recording. The S24 FE can shoot video at 4K 60 FPS from both the rear and front cameras, delivering crisp and stable footage. Samsung's video stabilization works well, especially when recording at lower frame rates, making it good for vlogs or casual video shooting. Hey, if you're still here, please like and subscribe. 5. Battery life and charging. The 4500 mAh battery inside the S24 FE offers solid battery life, easily lasting a full day of moderate usage. This includes tasks like social media browsing, video streaming, and gaming. Battery life. On average, you can expect around 7 to 8 hours of screen on time, which is impressive for a device with a 120Hz display. Even with heavy usage, such as gaming or using GPS navigation, the phone should comfortably make it through the day. Charging. The phone supports 25-watt fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. However, Samsung no longer includes a charger in the box, so you'll need to buy one separately if you don't already own a compatible fast charger. The phone also supports 15-watt wireless charging, which is another premium feature at this price point. 6. Software and user experience. The Galaxy S24 FE runs Android 14 with Samsung's custom One UI Skin.0 skin on top. Samsung's One UI is one of the most polished and user-friendly Android skins available, offering customizable UI. Users can customize almost every aspect of the phone, from themes and icons to navigation gestures. One UI is visibly appealing, clean, and responsive. Features. Features like edge panels for quick access to apps, split-screen multitasking, and dark mode make the software experience more intuitive and user-friendly. Updates. Samsung promises up to 4 years of software updates and 5 years of security patches, meaning the Galaxy S24 FE will stay up to date with the latest features and security enhancements for years to come. 7. Price and value for money. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE starts at around $599, depending on the region and storage configuration. This price puts it in competition with other mid-range devices, like the Google Pixel 7a and OnePlus Nord 3. For its price, the Samsung S24 FE offers excellent value. You're getting a premium AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a versatile triple camera system with solid low-light performance, great performance with high-end processors and 8GB of RAM, all-day battery life with fast and wireless charging support, 4 years of software updates, and 5 years of security patches. Conclusion. Is the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE worth it? The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is a fantastic option for those who want a flagship-like experience without paying the flagship price. It strikes a great balance between performance, display quality, camera capabilities, and battery life. If you're not concerned with having a glass back or ultra-fast charging, the S24 FE delivers just about everything you could want from a phone in its price range. For most users, it will be more than capable of handling day-to-day tasks while providing a premium user experience. If you're in the market for a phone with excellent value for money, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is absolutely worth considering. That's it for today's in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews, breakdowns, and comparisons. Let me know in the comments what you think about the S24 FE. Would you pick it as your next smartphone? Until next time, this is Tech DFS signing off.